Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Voyager rod fast. First, you need to pinpoint the exact location where this special rod can be found. It's crucial to know which fish species you should be targeting. Make sure your fishing skill is sufficiently high, ideally around level 50, to maximize your chances. Prepare your best fishing gear before you begin your hunt. To significantly improve your odds, consider using luck-enhancing items. These can provide a 15% boost to your drop rate. Fishing during specific in-game periods, such as dusk or dawn, might also be beneficial. Additionally, equip any gear that increases your fishing power by at least 20 points to further optimize your efforts. For efficient farming, concentrate your efforts in zones known for high concentrations of the specific fish that drop the rod. Develop a quick and repeatable fishing route to minimize downtime between attempts. If possible, consider forming a small group with other players. This can sometimes increase overall efficiency and shared rewards. Remember, obtaining rare drops like the Voyager rod often requires significant persistence and many attempts. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't drop immediately. Also, investigate if the rod can be crafted using specific materials you might already possess. Finally, explore trading with other players as a viable alternative to direct farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.